Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are at the B&H 50th Anniversary Bild Expo with Barry Garcia. There's a bunch of Barrys here. Barry actually helped me out on my first time using NANLITE.
That's right.
I didn't know what I was doing with the mount system, so he was gracious enough to, I think he texted me or called me. I'm like, how do I mount this? And he told me how to do it. And that was the first time, other than being with a Mac group guy that helped me with the lights initially, but that's when we first met. And this is the actual first interview that we are doing with Barry. Me personally, I've been working through the Nanlux NANLITE crew. Ended up with the most technical person in the crew, technically, besides you and Jeremy.
Yeah, me and Jeremy, I guess.
So I do like the technical aspects of all this stuff. And they have like 3 items they're going to be talking about. And I'm going to go behind and do the cameras. But I've been a NANLITE user for at least 5 years now, right?
At least, right?
And I used to do it with portraits.
Yes.
Before people started using constant light with portraits. And then I got to transition to video. And then NANLITE's the only light that I use when I use constant lighting. Other lighting companies want me to use their lighting, but I've been with NANLITE for about 5 years, 4 or 5 years. Time flies. It was during COVID.
Yeah.
All right, so Barry's going to talk, and just wanted to say, Barry, he's very, very nice, has a great, he does good stuff on YouTube, very technical. I'm just telling you how it is. I tell you this in person too.
Yep.
So thank you, Barry, and I'll be back there.
Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the first one, which is going to be our new DMX CRMX rig. So, and with the setup for what it is, basically what you have is the PavoTube X series, but we've added the CRMX to it. Now, what that means is basically we can do wireless DMX now. And wireless DMX allows us to be able to have the lights themselves being controlled via a separate controller like Blackout, ArtNet, some of the other guys that are out there that have the different types of systems where you can actually tell the light, hey, I want you to do this or this function, or have a group of lights being able to work in something else. Otherwise, the actual PavoTubes have pretty much stayed the same. They are all the same thing, same brightness, same build quality, same output that you're getting that you're used to getting, as well as still having the same pixels and same effects. So all that stuff is still available in the tubes. We've just now added the CRMX Lumens radio so that you can use it wirelessly.
Walter Van Dusen, once again at the Sony 50th Anniversary Bild Expo. I'm here with Mark Bender from Nanlux, and he has some exciting in-stock news that he's going to share with us. But also, they are nice little section of Nanlux equipment. I have a Nanlux, which I have the TK140B bicolor. I'm assuming they'll be coming out with a full color sometime soon. Oh, which they do have over there, the Dyno 650. So Mark's gonna just do a little talking. I just wanted to say I'm a 100% NANLITE user and Nanlux. All my stuff is NANLITE. I have a 300B on my rolling stand, which is providing this light. And Mark's just gonna do a little talking, and I'll be over there. Thank you, Mark.
Best rig in the world.
Thank you.
Well, great. So I'm here at the 50th anniversary of the B&H Bild Expo right here in good old New York City. The show is amazing. We're packed. I barely had a chance to get out of the booth to do this little announcement with Walter. It is an amazing show. So we're looking forward to the 51st for next year. We're going to be here again. Anyway, I want to thank the folks at B&H for doing such a great job getting the people in. The hospitality has been wonderful for everyone. Everyone's in a great mood, having a great time. But let me just jump ahead a little bit. You've all been waiting, all you Nanlux users have been waiting for something very special, and it is now available in the United States. We have just taken delivery of our production models of the projection attachment, the projector adapter that allows you to take your Lico accessory barrels and lenses and attach them to your Evoke. Let me show you what it looks like. Comes in this beautiful little case, very handy. And here it is. It is a special aspherical condenser element that fits on all your Evoke models, the 900, the 1200 daylight, the 1200 bicolor. This end is where it goes into the unit, and then you take your choice, whatever manufacturer of your Lico style projection barrel and lens goes into the front. So you can use ETC, you can use Altman, you can use Chevet, AC lighting. If they have the standard Lico mount that we all have sitting on our shelves, that will fit right on the front. So now you can do that beautiful hard edge theatrical look that you've all been looking for. If you use the 900C, not only can you do that theatrical look, but now you have the millions of colors that can be created with the 900C 6-color LED technology, the RGBWW. So I wanted to let you know, this just got in, they're available, they're in stock, and you can order these right away. I know you've been waiting a long time for them. We've had quite a year for 2023. We've launched a lot of new product, a lot of new accessories. Please check out our website, go to B&H. They've got them all up. They're ready to roll. They're ready to make the Nanlux customers happy all over the United States. We'll see you later. And again, thanks, B&H.
Hi, I'm Barry Garcia with NANLITE, and we're at the Build Show, celebrating with B&H for a lovely 50 years. We'll talk about some of the new products that NANLITE has that we just introduced actually yesterday. So the nice thing about what we have is, then the first thing I'll talk about today is going to be the projection mount with the 60B. Now that's something we've actually had as you could buy separately for quite a while, but now we're actually selling it as a full kit. It's something that you can buy, and you can actually have the 60B light as well as the projection mount, and you can have the 19-degree lens and the 36-degree lens, as well as a lot of the gobos, and you're able to play with a lot of different things. Now, I can't tell you how beneficial having a projection mount with your 60B is. It is such a wonderful tool to have in your arsenal because it allows you to kind of create, whether you're shooting photo, whether you're doing video, adding backgrounds, maybe adding a little light on your subject. It just gives you a lot of different options to be able to create with. And that's what we like about the projection mounts and the 60B together. The other light we're going to talk about that is new is our brand new FC series, the FC-500B and the FC-300B. Now this is what this guy is right here. This light is one of our new style and look of NANLITE. The new silver with some black, adding a little bit of color in there, really makes it nice and sleek and kind of different. It's a lighter feel to it because it's an all plastic design. It's got a different single cable that connects it down to a AC power port that allows you to be able to plug up, hang it, and get ready to go. The one thing people are going to notice with this brand new line is the price. It is very affordable, and it's one of those things that I think people are going to like a lot. So we have a 500B and we have a 300B, and these new lights are going to be very, very, very hot for us. I know it. Now, I like a lot about this and the whole setup of it, but it also comes with a new style case for us. Most of the folks that know NANLITE have the regular cloth cases that you can kind of carry everything around. Our new style case, which is more of the foam design, actually allows it more of a snug, secure, small fit. So when you're stacking them up on those carts and getting all your lights together, it just makes it more easy and efficient to be able to do that. So the new light itself has obviously the Yoke system that allows you the single side to be able to adjust. You've got the actual diffuser as well as the reflector. It has the standard Bowens mount on the front, so it allows you to be able to attach whatever it is that you need, as well as you've got a cover over the actual LED, and then the controls of the light are on the back. It allows you to be able to add brightness as well as your changing your color temperature. And like I said, a single mode button, as well as this button right here that allow you to be able to switch to the effects, and then you can be able to change what it is that you need. Our menu button allows us to go through and do the addresses so that we can kind of scroll down. We can reset the Bluetooth so we can control this via the NanLink app. It just gives you all these different functions that you can do, as well as you've got the USB updater So you can be able to update with future firmware updates. So we kind of future-proof the light. But it allows you to do a lot of different things, and that's what's nice about these new lights. As well as being a 500-watt LED, it's very bright. But a lot of new things from NANLITE we're really excited about, and we're happy for all you guys to check us out, and also come see us here out there at the Build Show. Happy birthday, B&H. I'm good, Walter.